How to delete Binance account. In order to delete the Binance account, you just simply need to open your Binance application at very first. And after opening the application, you are gonna see this page where you can see these three bars into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after that you are gonna get this page where you can see your profile. Just simply open your profile, and after going into here, you are gonna get this option called security. Tap into security, and after going in here, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom, and you are gonna see another button called manage account. Tap into manage account, and then you are gonna get this delete account button directly. Tap to delete account, and then you need to select a reason for deletion. Just simply select your reason for deleting the account and tap to continue. After doing this much, it will say personal data retention. You can read all of this information, it might be helpful for you. After that, tap to continue. It will show some informations about how deletion works and all that stuff. You just simply need to check this button and then tap to delete account. And after doing this much, your account will be deleted in 30 days.